Like many other weekends, it was also a regular weekend, and from a long time, my son was selling me tickets of an amusement park located off Mysore Road. He and his friends were even brand ambassadors of all costly time out joints in Bengaluru. Without my approval, my son had already told his friends that I'll be taking all of them for some outing on Sunday. I too was bored with everyday traffic of Namma Bengaluru and wanted a chill out. And my idea of chill out is never UB City and never ever any mall. Me taking my kids and his friends to any amusement park would meant a day robbery of 15k easily. It was not like I wasn't able to pay this, but I'm a staunch follower of Chanakya. Never pay a pi extra to anything if it doesn't deserve. So here what I did. I took this chiller party to a nearby forest. It was walkable distance from my home. Yes, don't be in doubt, the forest is in Namma, Bengaluru, and yes, it is a natural one, not a man-made. I introduced them to many flowers, crops, trees, and the ecosystem. Ragi, banyan, nilgiri, teak, bamboo, anthill, a giant spider. Oh, our walk continued. And this is what all we saw. After walking approximately 5 kilometers, we encountered this immense lake. The water, the greenery around it, the air, the breeze in it was so soothing our mind and body. Our Sunday was never so fruitful in the past. Zero investment and full entertainment with good learning of Mother Nature. This chiller party had completely forgotten that amusement park. And now, as the next Sunday is nearing, my son, as usual, without my approval, has told his friends that I'll be taking them for trekking inside the jungle. All the best, myself.